Tara guys, lunch time. Meron tayong kanin and sili, pampagana, tsaka lemon. Ba't kaya tayo may sili at lemon? Kasi meron tayong sardinas, my favorite. Meron tayong toyo mansi and fried egg. Yan. So let's open it. You guys, wow! Oh my God! Favorite sardines and lemon. Oh my God! Toyo mansi. Wow! Pritong itlog. Wow! Sili. Unang subo. Sarap ng hang.